So did you see it last night then?
I saw that ludicrous display.
What a parcel of shite, eh?
Hey! Danny boy! When you take me to the pictures? You promised me last week you'd take me to see that Kris Kringle film?
Oh, aye. What's all this about then, Danny? You never mentioned you and Rosie were thick as thieves.
Oh, fuck off,
The
Joe.
pictures, eh? What's your last thing of this little arrangement then?
I was pissed at the time. Honestly, since when did I need to pay for company anyway? Fucking hell, I should come over.
So, what about our night out, Danny boy? You promised to take me to see that Kris Kringle film.
Christopherson.
Who?
Christopherson, it's Chris Christopherson, you daft bint, not Kris Kringle. Anyway, I'm working overtime all week. Why don't you take Joe here? I'm sure he'll be happy to pay you a tenner for your company, eh, Joe lad?
Not on your fucking Nelly. No offence, pet, but my bird would have my nuts if she even saw me talking to about lass, let alone get to the pictures with one.
Yeah. Hey. No offence taken, son. You're too young for me. No. See, I like a man who can, stoke a few fires. You know what I mean? Get up a bit of steam.
Me good looking at me then, pet. I drive diesel trains.
Oh, how witty, man, Danny. Diesel on here, diesel. We're going to have a bit of fun.
Rosie, you're a canny lass and all, but...
Sorry.
Whoa, lass.
Yeah, Rosie, don't take this the wrong way, but old Danny would rather gan 10 rounds with Maisie Bell than be seen cavorting with the likes of you.
Well, fuck you.
Out of the way, Rosie! Everyone knows, and their budgie knows exactly what you're all about. Anything for a pack of cigarettes. Know what I mean?
That's enough, Joe. There's no need to be nasty to the lass. She's only gonna get by, like the rest of her.
Thank you, Danny. So, what about this film then with this Chris, whatever his name is?
Maybe next time, eh, pet? Now, if you don't mind, I'm trying to have a private conversation with my mate here. So...
Well, charming. It's your loss. So, fuck you two.